Maayong aga, maayong buntag, magandang umaga, magandang umaga, magandang umaga. Good morning everyone. So, obviously, ari kita sa uma, diba? Kagahod, noisy morning everyone. You can hear in the background the cows, the mooing of the cows, the crowing of the rooster, and the noisy pigs. Yes, because we are in the farm. Everybody. Yeah, they're greeting you too. It's cloudy day. That's my grandpa, or I treat him like my father because they adopted me. He and my grandma adopted me, and so they are like my parents. So I asked him a while ago. I did not record it in the camera. If where he's going, he's just going there because he planned something. Let's check it out. This is squash, kalabasa, ha? Inkaon ka baka. Squash. A baby squash. And then the baby corn. May ulod. Papang, may ulod. May ulod ang mais.
Narban ko.
Patyon to ning ulod.
Patyon ulod na.
Na dead ang ulod.
Ang kaugtol puntay.
Baby corn. Di ba pang abunuhan tapos lambunan?
Lambunan eh.
Ha?
Pag lambunan.
Tapos lambunan. Okay, what you saw earlier is like a stream where we get water for all of this when it's sunny season. So yeah, that's where we get the water. You might wonder why it's brown, because as you can see, the land is still wet, and it rained last
A few moments later.
Last night. So sometimes I'm confused what to say in Hiligaynon, in Tagalog, or in English. Nasunod kita sa akon niya papang, sa akon niya tatay, sa akon niya papa, sa akon niya pinalangga nga papang. Hello. And I'm wearing red. Maybe it's not true that the bull will, run after someone who's wearing red, or if they can see red. Yeah, he's a good bull. Okay. Yeah. So, good.
May gagmay ti kang si koko bla.
Yaman na gas karbay makapatay ko. Makapatali ko pero klasik lang.
So they were laughing because I showed them the time lapse of the video. So and they were like, "Oh, my carabao is so fast." Even the truth is they're really slow. And then they were laughing. So nakita ninyo no kung paano kung ano kabudlay. It seems really easy for them to plow the field, but they exert really an effort. Farmer's best friend. Even though they use it, but they have to be the one to direct where the carabao goes and what to do and how to or when to stop, like that. So for me, in my own opinion, they are like the living heroes because they're the one who feed the whole nation. It's not just the rice that they planted. They also plant vegetables, fruits, and to all farmers dira no kag sa mga anak man sa mga mangunguma, you should be proud of what your parents are doing or your brothers, because me myself is really proud of my uncles, my grandpa, or my father. And you are proud, you then, or let's say we appreciate, and then there comes like respect, and then you will give importance to every single thing, you know. um yeah, we should, in any way, the bottom line is whatever your work is, you have to be proud of it. And how small or how big or how easy or hard it is, you should be proud of it, since yeah, you do it, you exert effort. And yeah, I respect all the people and them love, hands down to them. And yeah, so that's all for today. Hope you enjoy this video, so don't forget to like if you like it, and then subscribe.